Hey guys, alright. Last week you guys worked on order of operations, you worked on multi-step story problems, and so this week we're doing kind of the same, but we're going to kind of work on pictures. Some of you did them last week, they were your challenge. If you did the challenge, you have a lot of practice for this week. If you didn't do the challenge, then you're ready to learn something new. You'll get 2 pictures like this a day. And your goal is to figure out the solution so that it really makes sense. Every red square needs to be the same. So if you think the red square is 3, this has to be 3, this has to be 3, and this has to be 3. I'm just going to guess and test first. It says a star plus a square is 12. So I've got to figure out, I know that 7 plus 5 is 12. So then 7 minus 5 equals 5. Well, if that's not true, then I'm going to try again. I know 6 plus 6 is 12, but I know 6 minus 6 does not equal 6. So I have to brainstorm some more. What are the 2 that get me to 12? I could do 11 plus 1, but 11 minus 1 is not 1. So, what else could I try? 4 plus 8 is 12. But I can't do 4 minus 8, but I could switch it around. And say 8 plus 4 is 12. Is 8 minus 4 4? It sure is. So I got it solved. Here's another example. This one has fruit. So once again, when you solve these, the easiest one to start with is always the one that's all the same. So you see this top equation here is all the same. Well, what 3 numbers are going to get me to 30? 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 gets me to 30. So that means this is a 10, and that means this is a 10. Now here I'm at 10, and I got to get to 18. Well, I know 10 plus 8 will get me to 18, but there's 2, so I got to split it in half. So 10 plus 4 is 18. So that means this is a 4. And now here you got to look carefully. They're tricking you. They took away a banana. 1, 2, 3. So this is only 3 bananas. I got to figure out these coconuts. 4 minus something is 2. Well, I know 4 minus 2 is 2. 2. So 2 and 3 gets me to 5 plus 10. The answer is 15. I kind of gave you a hint here too because I put 2 question marks so they knew it had to have 2 place values. Alright, here's another example. Here, this one has some addition and multiplication. Alright, so once again, this top one right here, all the pictures are the same. So that would be the one to start. Go ahead and pause it, and then try to solve it on your own, and we'll check your work. Alright, well, I know that 4 and 4 and 4 gets me to 12. So that means this is a 4, and this is a 4, and this is a 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. I gotta get all the way to 16. So, well, I know that's half, so 8, so this is an 8. 8 times something is 40. Well, if I have my knowledge of a clock, I know that the clock is worth 8, so 8 times 5 is 40. And 5 times 4. My answer was 20. And we'll do one more. This one is where order of operations come in, because as you can see on the last one, what would you do first? Addition or multiplication? You would do multiplication. Go ahead and pause and solve. Alright, now that you've tried it on your own, something plus something plus something that's all the same gets me to 12. Well, that's the same as 12 divided by 3. That answer is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 gets me to 12. That makes this a 4. That makes this a 4. Alright, so once again, here I have 4. Gotta have two of the same numbers to get to 16. Well, 16 minus 4 is 12, so that would be 6 and 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 6 more, 16. So that makes this hamburger 6, this hamburger 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So, and that hamburger is 6 also. 6 plus 6 is 12, and I gotta get to 21. 12 plus 9 is 21. Now here there's 2 candy wrappers. So this 9 is now an 18 because it's worth double. Okay, so order of operations say multiplication first. 18 times 6. Wow. Well, I'm going to break it apart to 10 times 6. That's 60. 8 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. So 60 and 48, when I put that together, that's 108. Plus my 4. 1, 2, 112. Try to pay attention carefully to see if they're going to trick you and kind of double up a number. Remember, the easiest way to solve it is figure out which one is the easiest to solve because all the answers are the same. This one was all the same. Good luck, have fun.